Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to align a div horizontally center using the CSS. Suppose I have the div, right? Here I have the div container 1 and this is the text. Let's align this, or here I'm going to preview this, open preview. So Firefox, right? And this is paragraph, this is not aligned. So what we are going to do, this is div, we are going to make it width percent and margin auto center, and this is going to be center. So the whole div is going to be center, whatever we write, let's copy this, and there is CSS. Go and add the CSS over here, this studio, add it here, save it, refresh it. See, this is the method. You can also use, if I'm going to use this one, you can use flex, play, flex, margin, auto, or even display flex, justify content, center. So H1 heading, this is H1 heading, paragraph has some issues. So container is okay. Container is in like center, justify content. You can use also display flex and justify content center to align the div to the center, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand how to align the div into the center. Have a great day.